Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this error, fail to connect to server with their connection aborted by peer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem can occur due to a variety of issues, so I'll show you three solutions of how you can fix it. The first one is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections, and then what you're going to do is you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just right click on your network connection, click properties, and then you're going to go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties on here, and then click use the following DNS server addresses. Write on here 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS, you're going to write 8.8.4.4, and then click OK. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down on here, and then you're going to untick Internet Protocol version 6 because IPv6 is having troubles with Hytale. So just uncheck this and then click OK. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your date and time is set correctly, because if your date and time is set incorrectly or it is not in sync with the internet, then your computer has troubles connecting with the internet. So just open up your start menu, write on here date on time, and then set your time zone on here. After that, click set time automatically, and then you're going to click sync now and wait for it to sync your time. Once that's done, now the last solution that you can do is you can run the game as an administrator. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to search for Hytale, right click on it, click open file location, right click on it again, click open file location again, and now right click on it here at the launcher, click properties. Now go into compatibility, click run this program as an administrator, click apply, and then click OK. After that, now whenever you try to run Hytale, the launcher will run as administrator, and then your game will now work. You will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.